What's going on, guys? Today we have another Cayenne project. I'm gonna try to install these smoke side markers on the Cayenne. I think it's gonna look really good, and I just don't know where to start. Apparently this is a really hard job, but luckily for me, this side has no liner, so I may be in luck. Here is the brand new smoked side marker. Pretty sure this is the right side. I mean, everything lines up. It looks like there's a screw here that holds it in, and then a screw at the bottom. So, I guess we'll just try to see where things go. All right, guys, so I got myself a T25 on a 1/2-inch ratchet. Obviously, I took a trip to Harbor Freight here and gathered some of my other tools. So I'm just gonna start going at it, seeing what comes off and what doesn't. So let's go. Okay, according to this, there should be a screw right there and up there. So let's see if we can find this bottom screw first. Apparently that's the easier one to get out of here. I found it. There it is. There's that first torque screw. Here is your side marker. You're gonna come down. It's gonna be right here. Let's see, is it really a 25? Be kind. It is. Okay, this one's out. Yay. Easy peasy. So apparently there's another one somewhere up here. Is that it? Looks like it might be. Oh geez, how do I get in there, yo? So, not gonna lie, this wheel is kind of in the way. Probably should have done this before swapping. Oops. But okay, there it is right there. So in proportion to this, it's right there. All right, guys, I tried turning the wheel this way. Let's see if I can get a little more reach this time. Okay, there it is. It's like the side marker is in the way of me reaching this thing. All right, guys, I gave in. I bought an 11-inch flexible bit extension. This should help a little bit. Now I got this whole drill set up with the T25 at the tip. Where is it? There it is. Okay, that looks promising. Let's see if we can get it out of there. Guys, I think it's working. It was. Oh, it worked. Oh my God, where did that go? There it is. Okay. So that's out. I'm gonna pop this one back out right here. Oh, right here. And hand tight is tight. See that go right out, yep. Okay, now, hopefully this thing just, oh, no way. Okay, that's a good sign. I think you just undo this doohickey. How does this come out? Look at that. Okay, so if you pinch, the whole thing just kind of comes out. You know, we don't need this bulb at all. So goodbye, bulb. Check it out. This light was not powering on earlier. And it's definitely why. Goodbye to that. Hello to this. So this thing comes with this already in. It, from my understanding, resembles the wedge on there, so it should just pop in. Ooh, that looks pretty solid, guys. I tested the light out just to make sure, and we're golden. Oh, that looks so cool. Let's pop this thing back in. But wait, before I do, that is what the top looks like. Here's what bottom looks like. And that is exactly where we're gonna put our screws back. Oh, guys, that looks nice. Oh yeah. Okay, let me turn the lights off. Let me see what it looks like from there. Okay, that's one side popped in. I'm gonna go put the screws back over here and then get to work on the other side. Wow, this camera is actually so helpful when I'm trying to put this thing back in the hole. I'm gonna try to hand thread it first. No way. And we're good. We're good. Now, just gonna get to the hard side. Oh boy. I'm thinking it's gonna be easiest if I take this, that, and that off so I can peel back the liner from here and then access those same two bolts. I think it's doable. I think I can do it. Hopefully this will help. There it is. Okay, I dug it out. Dug it out with a screwdriver. Come on. A little bit more. Get the liner peeled back a tiny bit. You can see one bolt right there. And honestly, I'm not too sure how I'm gonna get to the other one back there just yet, but you know what? We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna start with this one. All right, guys, I came to the realization that I could not get to that back bolt. So I just kind of pounded this thing out and it popped out. I think we're good. Let's see if it'll actually come out though. Yeah. Somehow it came out without the bolt. So, I guess the bolt's somewhere in there. It's tucked away, which might not be good. Right there is what I'm feeling. Yep, there it is. You know, maybe I could have gotten it out. Let's try it. All right, guys, guess what I found out? A T25 on a ratchet actually goes in there perfectly. Like I can feel it from here, and then I just kind of ratchet away and it's loosening. Definitely the factory approved way of doing this. Check that out. Well, it's loosening, so that's good. Alrighty, guys, that bolt's out. That bottom bolt's out. So now I'm just gonna undo this like I did the last one. I was never able to get that top bolt in on the driver's side. I feel like there was some part of the car that was just blocking it. It was like this metal piece that I couldn't get around. And obviously I couldn't see because the liner was in the way and I couldn't pull it down anymore. It was already starting to rip a little bit and I was like, you know what? I think I want to keep the liner on this side as much as I can. So, oh well. But hey, let me show you what it looks like outside. So you can see right here, it's pretty solid. With the one bolt on the bottom end, it looks really good. It's not moving at all, which is really nice. This side, without the liner, has both bolts in. It's pretty firm except for where the tabs are on the far end, so that's solid. But overall, I like it, guys. I think it really modernized the look of the front. Like that end, and then this end right here. Let me show you what it looks like with the lights off too. There it is. Oof.